Honorable members, I give quietus to this discussion with compliments to Ghanshyam Tiwari for using parliamentary language, respecting leader of the opposition in the highest of traditions, and expressing to me that he is prepared to apologize if he has transgressed in any manner. I have read it carefully. Not only there was no transgression by Sri Ghanshyam Tiwari ji, he embellished the well-deserved reputation of Sri Mallikarjun Kharge ji, and therefore, if a member of this House with about 4 decades of parliamentary experience praises another member with 5 decades of experience, it's a joyous moment for us. Quietus to the issue. I need not come back to the House on this issue. Question number 1. Okay, but sir, apology for what?
You say that he has apologized.
He has not. Absolutely not. People don't apologize when they praise. If I praise leader of the House, if I express gratitude to the, if I express gratitude to the senior leadership, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji has praised Mallikarjun Kharge ji. Would any member of this House, including Pramod Tiwari ji, point out a single word from the address of Ghanshyam Tiwari to which exception can be taken? Any word. No, I will not give floor to you. Disturbance.
जिक्र किया था एलओपी का, माइक एलओपी का जिक्र किया था, तो मैं उसे दोहराना नहीं चाहता, पर इतना जरूर कहना चाहता हूं कि जो टोन थी, जिस ढंग से उन्होंने कहा था और जो शब्द कहे थे, वो तकलीफ बोल देना, वो निसंदेह जो डिकोरम होता है एलओपी ऑफिस का, उसके मद्देनजर उचित नहीं थी। टोन वर्ड दोनों को मैं कह रहा हूं नहीं थी।
सुनो, मैं बताता हूं।
ये भी दिया
नहीं, सुनिए प्रमोद जी, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji was speaking in Sanskrit. Now Sanskrit is a language that requires some kind of orientation. Since you were not present here, you are not. Honorable members, I'll come to one issue. 1 second. No, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I am not giving floor to you. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. Again. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I am about to name you. Take your seat, Rajiv ji. हाँ, अजय माकन जी, want to say something?
कह रहा हूँ किस बात के लिए सर? ये एक बात लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन के साथ में हुआ है, उसके बारे में आपके संज्ञान में ला रहे हैं, सब लोगों के सामने हुआ, इसलिए नेम कर देंगे?
नहीं, अजय माकन जी।
सर आप कभी, सर मैं एक हाथ जोड़ के कहता हूँ, सर आप कहते हैं आप हंस क्यों रहे हैं, आप कहते हैं आप मुस्कुरा क्यों रहे हैं, आप बैठे क्यों हुए, सर प्लीज ऐसे मत करिए।
सुनो, अजय माकन जी, नहीं राजीव जी बैठिए, राजीव जी बैठिए। नहीं, सुनिए। नहीं, राजीव प्लीज टेक योर सीट। राजीव जी टेक योर सीट। Rajiv ji, take. Nothing is going on record. Now take it. Honorable members, would any honorable member of the House please point out to me, read from the text what Ghanshyam ji said? Would any member of the House say so? How can a member of this House take floor without telling me that he takes exception to this part of Ghanshyam ji's statement? I can understand. My perception may be different. Mallikarjun's perception may be different. A member rises. He doesn't know what he's saying. Once I have not allowed you now, Jairam ji, I will appeal to the senior leadership to, sir.
And sir, you want to know the word he used? Do you want to know the word he used? We have given it to you in writing. इन्होंने इनके परिवार के बात कहा।
परिवारवाद का आरोप लगाया।
Nothing is going on record, and
you know it. And you know
Take your seat. Take your seat. The last speaker on this point. Please, ma'am.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ। मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ। और सर, मुझे माफ करिए।
How can you do that, sir? It's only the tone that matters. When you are being something happen, the same will apply to the LOP also, sir. Please, sir.
Fine. Jaji, fine. Okay. One second. No. Honorable members, Jaya Amitabh Bachchan is the last speaker on this point. Please, ma'am.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ। मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ। और सर, मुझे माफ करिएगा, मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jaya ji.
And I remember when I went to school.
Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya ji, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Jaya, 1 second. Honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable no. बैठिए. Honorable members. बैठिए. I know how to deal with it. बैठिए. Jaya ji, you have earned a great reputation. You have earned a great reputation. You know, an actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone? No, shit given to you. No, you don't have floor now. No, enough of it. No, enough of it. You can't have it. You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. No, nothing doing. Nothing. No, not at all. I will not bear it. One second. Please sit down. Please take your seat. No. Never carry an impression that only you build reputations. We come here build reputations. We live up to reputations. Nothing doing. No. Question number 196. Sushmita Dev.
Sir, she's a member of parliament. How can you call her a celebrity, sir? Sir, she's a senior member of parliament.
And the senior member of parliament has a license. Nothing is going on record. A senior member of the parliament has a license to run down the reputation of the chair, to question the tone and tenor. Yes, I have to be in reaction mode to take care of the situation. I have highest respect, but to make it a habit, my tone, my language, my temper, I don't go by script of others. I have my own script. I am not operated by anyone else. Nothing will happen, Kharge ji. Thinking has to be from within.